Stories, I'm a fool for your love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am at Satoyama Gardens. The Satoyama Gardens is the largest in Yokohama City, with approximately 10,000 meters square of flowers and greenery. The opening hours are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Admission is free. The Satoyama Gardens is adjacent to the famous Yokohama Zoo called Zourasia, which I will be going to pretty soon. There are roughly 150 different types of spring-like pastel flowers, mainly tulips, pansy, and viola. Guys, meet my Jamaican friend.
Hi everyone.
What's your name?
I'm Nicolette. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I've been in Japan for a while. Too long. It's time for me to leave, but I'm not ready.
The sun, it looks nice.
Yeah, because this is a perfect lighting. Like, you can pause the video and take some really good photos. Well, Sashoni is cold. She has a winter coat in her hand.
Well, I'm not cold right now, but I carried it because in the evening it's gonna be cold.
When it's like totally hot.
There is 20 something degrees, but tonight it's gonna be cold and I don't know what time I'm going home.
Okay.
Yeah. This place is perfect for nature lovers and you should visit in the spring, like super beautiful. Okay guys, so this is like, this is a very sunny today, but this park is very wow, this park is very beautiful. Like the flowers, look at the flowers. Yeah, so if you want to like take pictures and stuff like that, you cannot come here. I'm loving the sun though. enter the gardens, there is like different food trucks that you can get food from and all those things. So maybe like souvenir stuff. Look at these beautiful dogs. We're leaving the gardens now and we're heading back to Yokohama station. So the name of this station is, what's the name?
Surugamine.
Yeah, so we had to go there and then we had to take a bus. We had to take a bus to come here. The bus ride was about maybe 17 minutes. So we're gonna have to take the bus again, the bus back to the station, and from the station we're going to go to Yokohama station. Yeah, and then we're gonna get probably like something to eat and maybe go somewhere else. Get something to eat and then go home probably. But let's see. Yeah, probably explore. Yeah, Daiso.
And other place name? Don Quixote.
Don Quixote?
You've
What's
never
that?
been there?
I don't know.
Okay, then we're going to go.
Alright. So we're in KFC and this is how high-tech Japan is. So look at this. So water, this is warm water by the way, and then this is so that's Japan for you. So this place is called
Don Quixote.
Don Quixote. Don Quixote. This is like a little mall, you know?
Sells everything.
Sells everything.